Hi friend, this is Kailash Gahitodi going to explain relation function exercise 1.1 class 12. Question number first, let A equal to a set of first 5 natural number. R equal to a relation set A comma B such that A minus B mod of A minus B is even number. Means B will be the relative of A only if the mod of A minus B is a even number. That is the difference of the mod of A minus B is even. Right? Is an equivalence relation. We have to prove that equivalence relation. And further we have to show that two set having the element 2 comma 4 and 1 comma 3 comma 5 are related to each other, and but no element of 2 comma 4 related to any element of a set having element 1 comma 3 comma 5. Means we have to prove that is this a equivalence or not. VALENC, equivalence or not. For this, at first I will check it for reflexivity. AA belong to R. Since A minus A means mod of A minus A equal to 0. 0 is the multiple of 2. Therefore, it is even. Second is symmetric. AB belong to R. Since A minus B mod of A minus B is even. We will assume this implies B minus A belong to R. Why? Since B minus A is also even. If A minus B is even, therefore B minus A will also even. For support of this, let 2 comma 4 belong to R. Since mod of 2 minus 4 equal to 2 even, implies 4 comma 2 also belong to R. Since mod of 4 minus 2 is 2, which is also even. Hence, the given relation is symmetric. Now come to the transitivity. Let A comma B belong to R. Since mod of A minus B is even, B comma C belong to R. Since mod of B minus C is even. For the transitivity, these two conditions will be given. So after adding the first and second condition, you will get even. Since addition of even number is a even number. After solving this one, a minus b plus b minus c, b minus b plus b cancel out. Mod of a minus c is also even. Since satisfy the condition that a mod of a minus c is even, therefore a comma c belong to R. Right? Now come to the same question remaining part. Since we have to show that one set having the element 1 3 5, set having the element 1 3 element 1 comma 3 comma 5 related with the set having element 2 comma 4. Since okay, each no this set and this set both are related to each other, we have to show. Means if the element of 2 comma 4 are related to each other, it will satisfy the condition. Since 2 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to even number. The same way 2 minus 2 equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 is a multiple of 2 is a even number. So therefore each element of set 2 comma 4 are related to each other. Same way for this set, since 1 minus 1 equal to 3 mod of 3 minus 3 equal to mod of 5 minus 5 equal to 0 is a multiple of 2 which is even. Also, mod of 1 minus 3 equal to mod of 3 minus 1 equal to mod of 3 minus 5 equal to mod of 5 minus 3. You are getting 2, which is even. Like as mod of 1 minus 5 equal to mod of 5 minus 1 equal to 4, which is even. So therefore each element of set having element 1, 3, 5 are related to itself, right? Now for the set this and this, is both set are related to, both set are, but you can see here, but no element of this related to any element of this, means is the element of this set and this set are related or not. We have to check this. Since 2 minus 1 means one element from first set and one element from second set, 2 minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 mod equal to 1 odd. Same way, mod of 2 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 2, mod of 3 minus 2 equal to 1 odd. And mod of 4 minus 3 equal to mod of 3 minus 4 equal to 1 odd. Therefore, the element of set having 1, 3, 5 and set having element 2, 4 are not related to each other, right? Now come to the question number 9. In question number 9, so that each of the relation R in the set A X belong to Z such that X is lie between 0, 0 and 12, including 0 and 12. The relation for this set is given by R equal to A comma B ordered pair of A comma B such that mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4, is an equivalence relation. Also find the set of all element related to 1, right? For the equivalency, as we know that, at first we'll find out the reflexive. Since A belong to R, A belong to R. Since mod of A minus A equal to 0 is a multiple of 4. For every A belong to A, right? Let us check the symmetricity of the given set. If this is symmetric or not. Let AB belong to R. Since we can assume for this mod of A minus B equal to 4 times of lambda. So dear student, you must understand that if we are writing let, means the condition is, we can assume that this condition is being satisfied. Implies BA belong to R. Why? If A minus B is a multiple of 4, then B minus A will also a multiple of 4. Let us see for the support of this this point. You can just give any particular example. After converting this set into a roster form, you can write the set A in the roster form like that: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dash dash 12, right? Let we have choose A equal to 2 and B equal to 6 belong to R. Since mod of 2 minus 6 equal to 4, implies 6 minus 2 also belong to R, since mod of 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So therefore given relation is symmetric. Now check it for transitive. Let AB belong to R, since mod of A minus B equal to 4 times of lambda. B minus C belong to R, since mod of B minus C equal to 4 times of mu, means multiple of 4. A minus B multiple of 4, B minus C also multiple of 4. These two conditions we have assumed, right? These two conditions if satisfying, then you will go for the further point. The further operation is mod of A minus B, because these two conditions are being satisfied. So therefore you will add these two conditions, mod of A minus B plus mod of b minus c equal to 4 lambda plus 4 mu equal to 4 times of lambda plus mu. Minus b plus b cancel, mod of a minus c equal to 4 times of lambda plus mu. Since mod of a minus c is a multiple of 4, implies a comma c belong to R. Hence, the given relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So, therefore, we can say it is an equivalence relation. Now, the last questions. Also find the set of all element related to 1. Set of all element which are related to 1 means after means a difference of 1 and such element of set A will must be a multiple of 4, right? Such element may be, let us suppose, 1 in itself, since 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 0 is a multiple of 4, 1 minus 5 equal to 5 minus 1 mod of 5 minus 1 equal to a multiple of 4. 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 equal to 9 minus 1 is a multiple of 4. For doing so, you can say, since 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 0 is a multiple of 4, 5 minus 1 equal to 1 minus 5 is a 4, is a multiple of 4, 9 minus 1 equal to 1 minus 9 equal to 8, which is a multiple of 4. Hence, the required set is this 1, 5, 9 from the A, from the element of set A whose roster form is this, right? So required answer is the set of the element which are of A which are related to 1 are called 1, 5, 9. So thank you very much, my dear friend. I hope you will understand it. If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.